Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's nice to have you guys here. Welcome new subscribers. Thank you returning subscribers. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my pancakes, but today I'm doing it with a twist. I'm making banana pancakes. So I beat up about 3 pieces of banana, and then I whisked my egg. Just whisk it a bit to make sure that you incorporate some air in it. Next, I mixed milk, water, and sweetener. I used sugar here. If you like, you could use honey. I just mixed it together in a cup and used the amount of water will determine the amount of batter you're gonna get. So I'm just adding a little bit of first class, that's my butterscotch flavor, just to give it that extra spice or flavor or whatever. So you mix all this together and turn everything into the bowl already containing the beaten banana. Here it is. So I just turn everything in and beat it up a bit, after which I would start adding my flour. Pancakes are very easy to make and it's a very good recipe. You can have it in the morning for breakfast, or like my daughter, she eats it at any time of the day. Mommy, I want pancakes, and I just have to oblige. So just mix everything together, and like I said before, turn in your flour. I decided to sieve my flour. As we know, your flour could come with some dirt and all that, so it's better to sieve it so that you get very clean flour in the mix. Also, make sure not to put too much flour, so it's better to add in your flour little by little. As you can see, just add a little at a time and mix properly. Then if you feel it's too light, before you add more, so you don't end up putting too much flour. So the formula here that I'm going to give for knowing if the batter is good enough is, after adding your flour and whisking or turning or mixing, you take the whatever spoon or mixer you're using. Like here, I'm using my whisk. You just pick a little bit of the batter up and try and write like figure 8. So if you look, you will see me doing that now, trying to write figure 8. So if the 8 will appear just a little bit before going away, then know that the batter is perfect. But if the 8 stays for too long, know that it's too thick. Next, we put very little oil inside the frying pan. Please don't mind this, my ugly fry pan, just focus on the message. So just put a little bit of oil and turn in the batter. Just a little bit of the batter. I want to fry it a little bit at a time. This oil I put is even a little too much, so just little as possible, just to grease the pan. And then I fried it and flipped it over to make sure that it cooked properly on both sides. And basically this is what it looks like when it's done. You can see I'm putting it into the plate and this is ready. So voila, here's the finished one. Had it with sausage. You guys can try it out and let me know how you like the recipe. Kindly give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.